First of all, I introduce the ingredients I use today. 100 grams of cabbage, 1 egg, 100 grams of yam, 3 seeds of sinpok, 20 grams of flour, Japanese pickled red pickled ginger, mayonnaise, suet powder, and dried bonito. For sauce, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and honey. First, make the sauce for okonomiyaki. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon ketchup, and 1 tablespoon honey to the pan and mix. Turn the fire and heat the sauce. When the sauce boils, turn off the heat. The okonomiyaki sauce is ready. Next, prepare the ingredients. Chop the cabbage into thin pieces. Next, peel off the skin of yam. Grate the yam. Then, cut the pork in half. Next, put the egg in a bowl and mix it. Add grated yam. Mix egg and yam saucily. Then, add the cake flour. Finally, add cabbage and mix it. Put oil in frying pan and heat it. Fry 3 pieces of pork. Turn the pork over. Place the okonomiyaki dough on top of the pork. Shape the dough into a circle. Once the okonomiyaki is cooked on one side, flip it over. I made a mistake. When the okonomiyaki is fully cooked, place it on a plate. Let's make other okonomiyaki. Fry the pork. Add the okonomiyaki dough to the pan. the okonomiyaki over. It's okay to fail. Transfer the okonomiyaki to the plate. Finally, add toppings. Spread the sauce on the surface of the okonomiyaki. Next, put the mayonnaise on okonomiyaki. Topped with Japanese pickles, red pickle ginger. Sprinkle the civet powder over the okonomiyaki. Finally, put the dried bonito on top. The Japanese street food okonomiyaki has been completed. Okonomiyaki is Japanese street food. It is easy to make, so I often make it for lunch. If you can't buy the yam and red pickled ginger, you can make okonomiyaki without them, so please try it. Thank you for your viewing. How was okonomiyaki? Don't you think it's so easy? If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!
ごちそうさまでした。